guys, welcome back to the channel. We just made it to our hotel and now we're gonna get ready to do a bunch of touristy things today. Let's go.
Okay, Kevin is going to get his hair cut now. There is a haircutting place behind me. It's called the Cut Station, so let's see if they do a good job cutting Kevin's hair. Okay, time to cross the road.
Alright, so I just finished getting my hair cut and I must say I am quite happy with it. For just 100k, it's astonishing, honestly. So that's about, I think that's about $7-ish, about $7-ish, maybe $6 for just 100k, and we give myself a little spin. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I'm definitely left her a tip as well, so thank you for that.
They did such a good job with Kevin's hair. Like, I am so surprised. Yeah, so it looks super good, Kevin. It looks so good. Very nice, very nice. Okay guys, we're on our way to Little Hanoi Egg Coffee. Let's drink it. So it's in a little alleyway, so it might be a little hard to find, but we are here, so follow me. We are here, this is the door. Let's go in.
So you had the hot version, like does it taste good? Like what should I be expecting?
The way I would drink it is first get the egg on the top with the spoon, like scoop the egg with a spoon. Try it. What do you think?
Tastes like yeah, just like an eggy cocoa. I'm not too much of a fan, but I like the consistency.
I actually really like it. Let me try it because like I had it warm last time, so I want to try it if it's like good like this. Actually, this is a lot less sweet than the hot one. Okay, what about the coffee? What does the coffee taste like?
It's quite strong. Coffee is very strong.
Oh. Oh, that's good though. Okay guys, we're heading to the cat cafe now. Let's go. So we made it to the cat cafe. Let's go inside. Okay, let's go upstairs. This one's wearing a little baby bib.
It's so soft. I love cats so much. Oh, it's just interested in my helmet. Just interested in my helmet. It's not me, man. It's not me. It's all my helmet. It's splendid. Absolutely adorable.
Most of them are sleeping though. That's the spot. Oh my god, he's stretching. I just want to get one cat that will play with me and that's it. It is my mission to find a cat that will finally play with me. This one's too tired. Okay, let's go upstairs. We've got to find a cat that will accept this toy.
Damn, it's good. It's good. Damn, this cat's tiring me out.
Hey guys, we were at the cat cafe before, but now we are at the park. We're just chilling for a bit and shooting another video. So now we are planning to go shopping at Central Market. Let's go. It looks like you can buy some really nice jeans and tops here. I'm seeing some really trendy clothes as well.
Alright, I'm going down the slide. Oh, it's not slipping. I'm stuck.
Alrighty guys, that was a full day vlog. Get ready for the next one.
And I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you very, very soon. And as always, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.